In this video, we're going to look into 15 possible causes of constipation and then explore 8 natural solutions that really work. These natural solutions are safe and effective because they deal with the root causes of your constipation rather than just masking the symptoms. So let's get started. First, let's understand why you might be experiencing constipation. The first category is dietary causes. 1. Low fiber intake. If you don't consume enough fiber-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, you may encounter difficulty passing stools regularly. 2. Low fluid intake. Drinking insufficient water can lead to dehydration. This makes your stool harder and more difficult to pass. 3. High processed food intake. Processed foods containing refined carbs, sugars, and unhealthy fats can slow down your digestive process, leading to constipation. 4. Low healthy fat intake. A lack of healthy oils and fats, such as those found in avocados, flaxseed, and olive oil, can reduce the lubrication of your bowel, contributing to constipation. 5. Dairy sensitivity. Milk, cheese, and ice cream can sometimes have a constipating effect on certain individuals due to lactose intolerance or milk protein sensitivity. 6. Meat consumption. Consumption of meat can lead to constipation because meat lacks fiber, which is essential for maintaining healthy bowel movements. The second category is lifestyle causes. 1. Sedentary lifestyle. A lack of physical activity can reduce the efficiency of your bowel movements and contribute to constipation. 2. Ignoring the urge to go. Holding in your bowel movements can weaken the reflexes that help you eliminate, making it harder to go when you really need to. 3. Stress and anxiety. Your gut is connected to your brain, and emotional stress can significantly alter your gut motility, sometimes causing constipation. 4. Travel or routine change. Disruptions to your circadian rhythm and digestive routine can affect your bowel movements when you travel or change your daily habits. 5. Poor toilet posture. Sitting on a toilet that's too low or in a way that closes the angle of the rectum can make it more difficult to eliminate your stool effectively. Now, let's move on to the third category: medical and physiological causes. 1. Irritable bowel syndrome, constipation dominant, also known as IBC. This condition is a common cause of chronic constipation. 2. Hypothyroidism. An underactive thyroid can slow down your metabolism, including your digestive processes, leading to constipation. 3. Diabetes. Nerve damage caused by diabetes, known as neuropathy, can affect the nerves that control your bowel movements, resulting in constipation. For pregnancy, hormonal shifts during pregnancy, along with pressure from the growing uterus, can slow down the intestines, leading to constipation. 5. Menopause and hormonal changes. The imbalance of estrogen and progesterone during menopause can disrupt bowel function and cause constipation. 6. Neurological disorders. Conditions like Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, and spinal cord injuries can interfere with the nerves that control your gut, leading to constipation. 7. Gut dysbiosis. An imbalance in the gut flora with a decrease in beneficial gut bacteria can contribute to digestive issues, including constipation. 8. Hemorrhoids or anal fissures. The pain associated with these conditions can make it difficult for some people to pass their stool normally, leading to constipation. The fourth category is medication-related causes. 1. Opioids. Painkillers such as codeine and morphine are notorious for causing constipation as a side effect. 2. Antacids with calcium or aluminum. These commonly used medications for heartburn and acid reflux can lead to constipation. 3. Iron supplements. The high doses of iron prescribed to treat iron deficiency anemia are known to cause constipation. 4. Antidepressants, particularly SSRIs and TCAs. Certain antidepressants can have a constipating effect on some patients. 5. Antihypertensives. Some blood pressure medications like calcium channel blockers and diuretics are known to cause constipation. 6. Antihistamines. These allergy medications can lead to constipation as a side effect. Now that we've covered the various causes of constipation, let's explore 8 natural solutions to help you find relief. We will discuss each solution and provide tips on how to use them effectively. 1. Increase fiber intake. Aim for 25 to 35 grams of fiber per day from whole food sources like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, flaxseed, chia, and psyllium husk. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Warm water is better at stimulating your bowels than cold water. 3. Eat natural laxative foods. Include prunes, figs, raisins, papaya, pears, apples in your diet to support regular bowel movements. 4. Consider probiotics. Include probiotic-rich foods like plant-based yogurt, sauerkraut, kefir, kimchi, or take a daily probiotic supplement. 5. Ensure adequate healthy fat intake. Consume healthy oils and fats like olive oil, avocado, and coconut oil, which help lubricate the colon. 6. Exercise regularly. Engage in activities like walking, jogging, or practicing yoga, including twists, which stimulate bowel movements. 7. Establish a toilet routine. Go to the toilet at the same time every day, preferably in the morning, and stay there until you have relieved yourself. 8. Manage stress. Practice deep breathing exercises, prayer, meditation, or other relaxation techniques to alleviate stress-related constipation. If you're looking for quick morning relief, here's a simple routine. Drink a glass of warm water with lemon. Do 5 to 10 minutes of gentle stretching or yoga. Eat a fiber-rich breakfast and go to the toilet without rushing, using proper posture. Over time, these natural solutions can help you determine the underlying causes of your constipation so you can achieve long-term relief. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional if your constipation persists or worsens. They can assist you in identifying any additional medical concerns that might require attention. Thank you for watching, and I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.